Kantapura by Raja Rao. It was published in 1938 and it is a political and social novel and it's setting in a fictional village Kantapura in South India, Mysore region. Its narrator is an old Brahmin woman named Achakka and a style written like a Sthila Puran, traditional village legend history. Main theme impact of Gandhian freedom movement on rural India. Main characters are Murthy, the hero of the novel, a young Brahmin influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's ideas, wears khadi, supports equality and opposes caste discrimination, leads the Gandhian movement in the village. Achakka, the narrator of the story, an old Brahmin widow who tells the story of Kantapura and its people. Rangamma, an educated widow, supports the independence movement, leads the women's volunteer group when Murthy is in jail. Narsamma, Murthy's mother, dies after Murthy is excommunicated from the Brahmin community. Bade Khan, a policeman working for the British authorities, meets Murthy at the Skeffington Coffee Estate. Skeffington, British owner of the coffee estate where many coolies work. Kenchamma, the local village goddess believed to protect Kantapura. Paraha coolies, workers from the lower caste community who suffers exploitation. Plot outline. Introduction. The novel begins with a description of Kantapura village, its traditions, caste divisions, and the local goddess Kanjamma. Murthy's return. Murthy returns from the city influenced by Gandhian philosophy. He promotes khadi, non-violence, equality among castes. Conflicts with Brahmins. Murthy supports the Pariha, lower caste people. Because of this, the village priest excommunicates him. His mother Narsamma dies of grief. Gandhian movement. Murthy continues his mission, organizes meetings, teaches Gandhi's principles, inspires villagers to join the freedom struggle. Skempton Estate Incident. Murthy visits the coffee estate to inspire workers. He is beaten by the policeman Bade Khan. Workers protest and are dismissed from the estate. Arrest of Murthy. The British government arrests Murthy, accusing him of spreading rebellion. He spends 3 months in prison. Women's leadership. While Murthy is in jail, Rangamma leads the women. They form a volunteer corps. Women participate in protest and freedom activities. Police brutality. British police attack the village. Houses are burned. Villagers are beaten. Women suffer severe violence. End of the village. After Murthy's release, the village is destroyed. Land is sold to city people from Bombay. The community of Kantapura is scattered. Major themes are Indian freedom movement, Gandhian philosophy, non-violence, truth, caste system and social inequality, role of women in nationalism, rural Indian life and tradition. Short exam point. Kantapura 1938 by Raja Rao is a Gandhian political novel narrated by Achakka that describes the transformation of a South Indian village